Michael Shikha Niketan Higher Secondary Government Sponsored Co-ed English Medium School has taken an excellent initiative of teaching and make our students learn day-to-day lessons through audio and video in our YouTube channel. Teachers of all the subjects are working hard to enhance these online classes in the midst of this pandemic situation. It is a request to all the teachers, students and guardians to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel.
Hello students, class 8. Now I will start the chapter mixture. Okay. Here the sum is, in a vessel the ratio of syrup and water is 5:2. Let us work out what part of drink should be removed and replaced. This line is very important and this also, so that the volume of syrup and water becomes equal. Clear? Here this is a vessel. Here syrup be 5/7 part and water be 2/7 part. Clear? Let us take X part of this mixture be removed. X part of the solution be removed and replace water. Replace water same part such that the volume of syrup and water will be same. Now in X part syrup be 5x/7 and water be 2x/7. Okay. So syrup left 5/7 minus 5x/7 and syrup, and water left 2/7 minus 2x/7. But when the same part, that means X part, be poured into the vessel, so the amount of water will be plus X. Clear? And this portion, according to this condition, this portion and this portion will be same. So 5/7 minus 5x/7 equal to 2/7 minus 2x/7 plus x. If we calculate this, we get the result. Clear? Here plus 2x/7 minus 5x/7 minus x equal to 2/7 minus 5/7. LCM will be 7. So 2x minus 5x minus 7x equal to minus 3/7 minus 10x/7 equal to minus 3/7. So after cancelling minus and 7 we have x equal to 3/10. This is the answer. Okay. The next sum will be measurement of the copper, zinc and nickel in German silver, that one types of silver common with copper, zinc and nickel is ratio 4, 3 and 2. Okay. Let us work out what weight of zinc should be added to 54 kg of German silver so that the ratio becomes 6:5:3. So we have to find out the amount of copper, zinc and nickel in 54 kg German silver That means in 54 kg silver, copper be 54 into 4 by 4 plus 3 9, sorry 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 kg. That means 24 kg. In 54 kg German silver, zinc 54 into 3 by 9 and nickel be 54 into 2 by 9, that means 12 kg. Accordingly, what weight of zinc? Let us x kg of zinc to be added. Okay. So, accordingly 24 is to 18 plus x is to 12. This ratio will be 6 is to 5 is to 3. Now, we take first two, this and this. So, 24 by 18 plus x equal to 6 by 5. So, it will be 108 plus 6x. So, 6x is equal to 12 and x be 2 kg be mixed. Answer 2. If we take the next two parts, let us say, okay. Now, x will be 2 kg. So, answer will be 2 kg. Understand every?
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe. And do share the video among your friends.